we will be checking out some numericals on Newton's law of cooling. But before going on to the numericals, we will see the expression which we'll be using for finding out the solutions of the numericals. Okay. Newton's law of cooling. So Newton's law of cooling tells us that the rate of cooling is directly proportional to the temperature difference between the surrounding and the body. So I can write a constant of proportionality here, capital K, and the difference between the temperature of the body and the surrounding. dQ, from calorimetry I know dQ is mc dt. dt is for time, d small t is for time, k del t. So minus dt by t, dt dt, k by mc delta t. Now k is a constant of proportionality, m mass is a constant, and c specific heat, that is also constant. So this entire thing k by mc I can change it into a single constant, which is small k del t. dt minus k del t. So this expression we are going to use a lot. Let us see what is what here. This T, capital T, this is the change in temperature of body, means the difference of initial and final temperatures. This dt is the time in which the change is happening. Del T is temperature difference between body and surrounding. For numericals, the temperature difference between body and surrounding we have to oversimplify, and for oversimplification we will take the difference of average temperature of body, and I'll subtract from this the surrounding temperature, okay. And k is a constant. In all the sums, what we will do, we will try to eliminate this k. Okay, we will not find the value of k, we will try to eliminate k. So let us see how will the questions look like, how will we apply these concepts to the questions. A liquid initially at 70 degrees C cools to 55 degrees C in 5 minutes and 45 degrees C in 10 minutes. Remember, from 70 degrees C it is going to 45 degrees C, total time it is taking 10 minutes. Okay, what is the temperature of the surrounding? So let us visualize it. 70 degrees C to 55 degrees C to 45 degrees C. Okay, this is taking 5 minutes. This is taking 10 minutes. So I can safely conclude that this is also taking 5 minutes. Okay. So these two changes we will be observing in two different cases. Case 1, case 2. Case 1 is the change from 70 degrees C to 55 degrees C. Case 2 is the change from 55 degrees C to 45 degrees C. Okay. the ambient temperature we have to find out, temperature of the surrounding. Let T0 be ambient temperature. Okay, so case 1, T initial 70 degrees C, T final 55 degrees C. Average temperature of the body 70, 55, 70. Give me a moment. (70 plus 55 by 2), so that will be 62.5. okay, average temperature 62.5. What is the time? Small t is the time taken 5 minutes. Okay, so dt is minus k del t. Putting in the values, what is dt temperature difference? 70, 55. Temperature difference is 15. What is time? Time is 5 minutes. Minus k, leave it as it is. Del t. What is del t? Del t is temperature of the body, average temperature of the body 62.5 minus ambient temperature T0. So this will give me 15.53. 3 is equal to minus k 62.5 minus T0. This is my equation 1. Let us see case 2. T initial is 55 degrees C, T final 45 degrees C. Average temperature of the body 55 plus 45 by 2, which is 50 degrees C. What is the time taken? Time taken for this change, don't take 10 minutes, it is 5 minutes, remember that. So 5 minutes. Putting in the values in the equation, what is the temperature difference? 55, 45, so temperature difference is 10. Time taken is 5 minus k. What is the difference between average temperature of the body and the surrounding? Surrounding we don't know. 50 is the average temperature, surrounding is at T0. So it is 2 minus k 50 minus T0. This will be my equation 2. This is my equation 2. So I need a new slide.